Have you ever wondered about the uncertainty of tomorrow? Proverbs 27:1 offers a perspective. This verse states, "Do not boast about tomorrow, for you do not know what a day may bring forth." It's a timeless piece of wisdom cautioning us against being overly confident about the future. It's easy to fall into the trap of planning and predicting every detail of our lives. However, life, as we know, is unpredictable and full of surprises. This verse reminds us of this fact, encouraging us to be prepared for changes and challenges that may come our way. In the context of our modern-day hustle and bustle, it serves as a gentle reminder not to take tomorrow for granted. Instead, it nudges us to be flexible, adaptable, and ready for whatever life throws at us. So remember, the future is a mystery. Embrace the present and prepare for the unknown. How often do you find yourself praising your own achievements? Proverbs 27:2 advises us on the matter. Now let's delve into this ancient verse and extract its timeless wisdom. Essentially, it encourages us to refrain from self-praise, a practice that can often come across as arrogance or vanity. Instead, it highlights the value of humility, of allowing others to acknowledge our accomplishments. In our modern society, where social media platforms often entice us to broadcast our triumphs, this verse serves as a gentle reminder to maintain a sense of humility. It nudges us to focus on our work and actions rather than the applause they might generate. It prompts us to listen more, to appreciate the praise from others when it comes, and to let it motivate us to continue improving ourselves. So, the next time you achieve something great, remember, let another praise you and not your own mouth, someone else and not your own lips. Therefore, let others acknowledge your accomplishments. Humility is a virtue. What's the value of the company we keep? Proverbs 27:17 has an answer. This verse states, "As iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another." What a profound metaphor. It suggests that just as a blade becomes more useful through friction with another piece of iron, so too do we become better individuals through our interactions with others. In the context of our modern world, this verse encourages us to surround ourselves with people who inspire us, challenge us, and help us grow. It's a call to form positive relationships that not only uplift us but also push us to improve. Whether it's a friend who inspires you with their kindness, a mentor who challenges you to expand your horizons, or a loved one who supports your dreams, these relationships are crucial. They sharpen us, making us better versions of ourselves. Remember, we shape and are shaped by those around us. Choose your company wisely. What's the role of friends and family in our lives? Proverbs 27:10 provides a perspective. It says, "Do not forsake your friend or a friend of your family, and do not go to your brother's house in the day of your disaster. Better is a neighbor nearby than a brother far away." This verse carries a profound message about the essence of close relationships. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, we might often overlook the importance of maintaining our bonds with friends and family. This ancient wisdom, however, nudges us to remember that these relationships are not just about shared meals and laughter. They're about standing by each other, especially when the going gets tough. It reminds us to nurture these connections, to invest our time and energy in them. Because when disaster strikes, it's often those closest to us, our friends and family, who provide the support we need. So, value your close relationships. They are your nearest support system. How should we handle praise? Proverbs 27:21 gives us guidance. This verse paints an evocative image. The crucible for silver and the furnace for gold, but man is tested by the praise he receives. Just as precious metals are tested and refined by intense heat, so too are we tested by the praise we receive. In a world where validation is a click away, it's easy to let praise inflate our egos, but this verse advises us to handle praise wisely and not let it sway our sense of self. Praise can be intoxicating, lulling us into a false sense of complacency. It can cloud our judgment, making us lose sight of our true values and goals. But when we handle praise with humility, it becomes an opportunity for growth. It can fuel our drive to improve, to strive for excellence without losing sight of who we truly are. Remember, praise is a test of character. Handle it with humility. Scene script. How can we balance striving for excellence and accepting our limitations? Let's revisit Proverbs 27:2. This verse is a gentle caution against the pitfalls of excessive perfectionism and overthinking. It's an invitation to understand that although we should strive for excellence, we must also embrace our human limitations. In the pursuit of success, it's easy to get caught up in the quest for perfection. We might find ourselves overthinking every decision, every action, and every consequence, but this verse from Proverbs offers a different perspective. It encourages us to strive for excellence, yes, but not at the expense of our peace of mind. In the context of modern life, this wisdom is more relevant than ever. We live in a world that often values perfection over authenticity and achievement over balance. The wisdom of this verse challenges us to redefine our understanding of success. It invites us to strive for excellence, but also to accept and appreciate our limitations. So strive for excellence, but remember to accept your limitations. Balance is key to a fulfilling life. And as we conclude, let's reflect on the timeless wisdom of Proverbs 27. These verses, though ancient, still resonate with us today, reminding us of the importance of humility, relationships, and balance in our lives. Do not boast about tomorrow, for unexpected events can arise. Let others praise you and not your own mouth, encouraging humility and an appreciation for the praise from others. Remember, as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another, emphasizing the significance of positive relationships. Do not forsake your friends or family, for they are your closest allies in times of need. Handle praise wisely, and let it not inflate your ego, but rather keep you grounded and focused. Strive not for excessive righteousness or wisdom, but find a balance that leads to a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. So, let these verses guide you in your journey. Embrace humility, nurture relationships, and strive for balance. That's the wisdom of Proverbs 27 for you.